Sonically refreshing. 107.3 FM. The Wave. 107.3 The Wave presents Jazz of the 20th Century, an hour-long broadcast that reviews the music decade by decade throughout the 1900s. We'll shed light on the origins and transformative qualities of jazz while bringing you insight into the lives of jazz giants.
So, my fellow Americans, ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country.
94.9 WQNX, your station, your country. 94.9 WQMX announces Friday Night Live, Ugly Christmas Sweater Party with Ken Steele, Friday, December 26th at the Dirty Armadillo, located in Rootstown, Ohio. 5,000 square feet to shuffle your feet. 21 and over welcome. Doors open at 6. Line dances begin at 7. For more info, visit the 94.9 WQMX Facebook page. Put on the ugly sweater and party pretty with Ken Steele and 94.9 WQMX, your station, your country. Akronites, I'm your host, Jonathan Goodyear, and welcome to The Looking Glass, a show where we look at solutions to Akron's social problems, respectfully. We've all done enough blaming and trashing others, myself included, but now is the time to sow constructive seeds into the mental soil of Akron. This is Michael J. Wilson, Executive Director of the nonprofit The Improvement Movement, with a message for Northeast Ohio. Be smart and don't start. KSU.org reports that there were 4,050 drug overdoses in Ohio in 2016, and Cleveland.com reports that the number of overdoses jumped to 4,854 in 2017, an increase of 804 deaths. Be accountable for your behavior. Be smart and don't start. ConnectionsCleveland.com. WKNG, Cleveland's King of Sports.